Today we are checking out the Alesis 88-key recital play, an all-in-one beginner's digital piano bundle that promises to get you playing right away without hunting down accessories. In one box you get an 88-key piano-style keyboard, built-in speakers, USB MIDI connectivity, a carry bag, stand, headphones, sustain pedal, and even premium piano lessons from Scoove and Melodix. Key features and specifications. The Recital Play sports 88 full-size, touch-sensitive keys to help build finger strength, plus 480 realistic sounds you can layer or split for rich textures. You'll also find 160 accompaniment rhythms, 140 demo songs, adjustable reverb effects, and dedicated split, lesson, and record modes with a built-in metronome and easy transpose function. Connect via USB MIDI to your favorite DAW or educational software, and plug in with the 1.4 sustain pedal, 1.8 aux in, and 1.8 headphone jack for private practice. Price. Right now, new and used options start at about $156.39 on, making this one of the most affordable full-size keyboard bundles you'll find, all accessories included. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the turnkey setup is unbeatable. Everything you need arrives ready to play, and the massive sound library plus lesson integrations make learning fun. It's lightweight and portable, too. On the downside, the keys are touch-sensitive but not fully weighted, so purists might miss the authentic hammer action feel, and the tiny built-in speakers can lack low-end depth. Customer review summary. With over 1,000 reviews averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars, players rave about the value, ease of setup, and the quality of the bundled lessons. Many note that beginners especially appreciate the all-in-one package, while some more experienced users wish for stronger speakers and fully weighted keys. Should you buy it or not? If you are starting your piano journey and want a hassle-free, budget-friendly kit that covers every base, the Alesis Recital Play bundle is a slam dunk. However, if you are aiming for a performance-grade experience with hammer action keys or deeper onboard sound, you might consider stepping up to a semi-weighted or fully weighted model down the road. For most beginners, though, this bundle really checks all the right